Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the Hitani. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
No. Untori promise Mary. Untori ke tonyala jwang wetsa so.
Na le chino igqoki luthengelwe yimi. Na le sigqoko saka Jesu.
Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes.
You smell like a dog.
Amathe.
No, I don't. I do. I do smell like a dog.
Mele sigeze masifika endlini.
Xa ndifika kwam endlini ndedwa. Hello. Hi guys. How are you? Hi. I'm good. I'm sorry to ambush you guys. I go around asking couples questions. Just a couples quiz. 5 questions and then you guys can leave. Would you be okay with that?
All right, no problem.
If you won't take our time.
I will. Just 5 minutes.
All right, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, come closer, please. I just want us here. Like right here. Can I stand in between you guys? So on my right, now you can stand on my right. Okay, name?
My name is Tando.
Tando, and?
I'm Mike.
Mike, how long have you been with Tando?
3 years now.
3 years?
Yeah.
Still going strong?
Yeah, very well, no problem.
Uh-huh.
You can ask her.
Okay, Tando. Is he telling the truth? You guys still going strong?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sinyan.
Tetinyan? Where did you meet him?
Satibana Japan.
Okay. Do you remember the first thing he said to you when you met? What did he say?
What yantanda?
Huh?
Nam the best in Tazagangu.
Uh-huh. And the rest was history. Okay. Okay, what is it that you like about your man?
Tanda indlela ibody yakhe.
Uh-huh.
Dark skin nje indlela ngayo nje iyangichaza.
Okay. And then what is it that you like about Utando?
She look cute and she's very easy to be with.
She's easy to be with.
Yeah, she's straightforward. She don't complain much.
Uh-huh.
Even when she's under pressure, she always try to control herself.
A closer girl is easy to be with. That's to you. You can handle a closer woman.
Yeah, to an extent.
Uh-huh.
I know she have her flaws, but for now we good.
Okay. Tando. Skat straightforward. Abathatha ngabo. What does he mean?
Ngisingumuntu ojikajikayo, ngimuntu straight like ndiyamthanda nimenzela izinto ezisinaks.
Amenzela into ezisinaks.
Ngithembekile kuye. Nami ndiyamthemba njengomuntu wami. Basenibonisa nesikhathi se-right since nihlangane naye izinto ze-right.
Okay. And you've never been suspicious of anything?
Ndike ndasola emalangeni, ke ndasola nje ukuthi akabambeki kahle kahle nongathi uyothuka ngi-understand. Ma-California sometimes ziyajumpa mara angichazela athi baby bengena imessage yomsebenzi ifoni yami mayiphatha right.
Okay. But ke wawujampi.
Ke ndamsola ukuthi isithayile sisikhwele.
Okay. Yes.
Thando needs good time.
Okay. Do you trust her on a scale of 1 to 10?
I do.
Trust.
Oh, on a scale of 1 to 10?
I give her 8.
8.
Yeah.
And leave 2 for disappointment, ne?
Exactly.
Okay. Guys, what we do on this show now, we basically make couple switch phones, okay? We do that because we're testing your guys' loyalty to each other.
Okay.
So you guys go through each other's WhatsApps for like 60 seconds, and then you just check if you guys are not cheating on each other. Is that fine? Kuphela ukusola ke ngoku. You understand?
Right form. Ngoba ndiyamthanda yena xa ngafumana into andazi. But kurathi uyazi nyani ke wabona.
Ukujonga. Okay.
Jonga ukuthi thini into. Sindikhuphe yami ifoni baby.
Okay.
Ish. I can do it for her. Ish. I feel somehow better. Ish.
Hey.
Hayi intoni?
Are you hiding something?
Since you know I'm not hiding anything.
Yayazi yona kanifihla mina kanifihlela yona.
But you trust me.
Kanifihlela but ke ndiyafuna ukuthi ifoni.
Ukujonga ifoni.
No, she know I'm not
Nathi
hiding anything.
I'm not convincing you. She wants to. Do it for your woman.
ifowuni ndiyayikhupha ifowuni yam anangxaki nazi ifowuni yam ndiyayikhupha
Tanda Sam, you really want to see my phone?
ncede yintoni ngokhupha ifowuni osojokuva ngabantu khipha
You're always on this problem.
ifowuni
3 years now.
Khupha ifowuni.
Baby.
kaloku uthi baby khipha ifowuni andifuna
Baby, I'm not hiding anything.
so wawunenza so ndiyamthemba umuntu wam ndiyamthemba
Qala ngayo
nokungabaza sana
Bayikhwalite rongo.
ndiyaqala ungabaza ngoku
It's about time now. You should trust.
ndiyakuthemba ne but ngoku waso ngathi ofuna ukhipha ifowuni iwe andincede phakathi kwam
Nyana, you're hiding something.
ingathi mfowuni
Okay. Go to WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay, search love you.
Okay. Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, what do you see?
I can see myself here. All the messages is sent to me.
Okay.
Everything is fine.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Okay.
Okay.
I can only see, yeah, it's to get back to me. It's to send to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing your woman favors.
Yeah.
I don't see anything dodgy.
And there is nothing dodgy here.
Yeah.
Everything is fine.
Delete, type outside.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. She's clean.
Clean.
She's clean.
Delete. Yes, Sana.
you andiyazithemba
Type babe. Ulonwabile. Babe, ne?
Yeah. I'm just the only guy. That is why I love her.
Ne?
Yeah, that is why I love her.
kandisolinda
I told you she's straightforward. Eh?
Yeah, she is.
Like,
Okay, delete that. Type last night. Yeah, son.
sengxamele yakho
Clean.
cofela namafowuni
Ever. Yeah.
nanengxaki nguyothi like ufuna useva i-relationship yethu
Yeah. Delete.
everything is fine.
Yeah, everything is fine. Type pregnant.
Okay.
Okay, there's nothing there.
There's nothing there.
Delete. Type test.
Everything is fine. Everything is okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gonna delete.
I will give her 9%.
Ne? 9. Okay. Delete that. I think we've looked for everything, ne, Shams? Okay. She knows she's clean.
She's clean.
Girl,
Thank
congratulations.
you, Tanda-san.
Don't disappoint us.
ayingekhe shem
Ne? Open your phone. We'll see, son. Okay.
thank you
Okay, go to WhatsApp, ne?
okay
Okay. Type love you. Search, ne? Love you.
this
Okay. Go was at the top, ne?
ndim
Okay. Are you seeing anything else?
yiwe kwenzeka ntoni apha na okanye
Go
ndibani
to the
kakuhle
chat.
ngubani ngokudenewo kwenzeka ntoni apha okay ndibhale ntoni futhi
Yima kaloku.
ndangqangqazela
Kudani, bangdani, but this is other guy.
hayi masingixhesha wawungixhesha
Sorry.
wawungixhesha ngqangqazela kunanto uthi ndibhale ntoni
All right.
uthi mandibhale ntoni
Love you. Sabona wena, but ubona uDaniel.
ndibani udineyo
Dinewo.
ngoku yintoni udineyo yintoni le nto udinewo denapho ndinto udinewo ndibona udinewo kusho
Okay. Ngena ke kwi-chat. Scroll. Wenza ntoni noDinewo, son?
yini masungxama ndisazijonge
Ndithetha nendoda yakho.
baby ubani udinewo into ngubani udinewo
Dino. Dino.
kubani udinewo ndisadikwani
Dino. Dino. Dino.
who's dinewo
Dino. Oh, my colleague.
your
She's my colleague, yeah.
goku
She's my colleague. I don't have anything with Dino.
Going to media. Drawing pictures that they're sending each other.
imani ndiqale ndigqibezele message ngoku imali entelo umsendela yona baby kwenzeka ntoni
No. It's Dino, my colleague.
so imali
Yandon.
Yeah, I don't, that one she just asked for money. And I just helped.
yintoni ngoku uphisa ngemali kwenzeka ntoni apha explain cela uchaze please explain cela uthetha uzondigulisa wena.
Who?
Tata, what happened? What
No.
happened?
That one you're talking of, that Teta you're talking of is who? I can't even
Who's
remember.
Dineo?
But I told you Dineo is my colleague.
Why did you send her money?
That is what I'm telling you. She need money.
Money for
As
what?
my colleague, she asked me to borrow her.
Imali yani?
Yeah.
Ubuka.
I borrow her money.
Apha kuphi apha? Nisa hotel kwenza kantoni apha? Yintoni lento? Yintoni lena?
Eish. See,
You
see,
kusa hotel se BNB apha.
see, understand. Look at
So bena sebenzela BNB. Ukuthi bena sizongigulisa wena, bena senzela BNB.
it's not what you are thinking, baby.
What?
Explain. Okay, explain.
It's not what you are thinking.
Explain.
Ngesichazele kwenza kantoni?
It's not what you are thinking.
Explain. What was happening?
Explain kwenza kantoni la kuse BNB la kwenza kantoni? Senzela BNB.
It's not what you are thinking.
Oh,
It's not what-
Shoprite, BNB.
Your mind is telling you something else.
Okay, what were you
Yes,
doing?
sister.
What were you doing at the Airbnb? With what?
Ndakwenza kantoni asebuhlungu inhliziyo yami. Yo, ngicela imfoneleni.
Aish.
Mfonele.
Sis.
Kanti ithi into endaba khona Dineo.
No.
Uzobula
No,
mna.
no.
Ulela Dineo.
I'm only assisting Dineo in some certain areas. That's all. We don't have anything.
Kwenza kantoni kuwe
Why should I do
Mike?
that?
Mike yini inkinga yakho? Kwenza
Why
kantoni
should I
Mike?
do that?
Mike yini yakho Dineo?
No.
Ulela
See,
Dineo.
Tando, you know I cannot do that. That thing you saw there is not.
Yo.
Thank
Yo.
you. Your mind is playing tricks.
Asifuna Dineo.
Your mind is playing tricks on you.
It is found Dineo.
Serious. Your mind is playing.
Kahle Nkosi yami yazi ndizogula apha tembona ngakhona sizogula.
Oh, sorry.
Uzogulisa lo muntu sana.
See.
Yo mina semsotesta ngeke ndizogula kaloku. Mina ndibe loyal kuye ngoba ndimthanda njani ngokwenza ntoni wasenza so.
We're not in an Airbnb. What were you doing at the Airbnb?
That one we just went there. I walk her down to that place.
BNP kala beyolala. BNP tonazo BNP. Kwenzwane BNP. Buyolala uyajola
You should understand. Okay, now.
Manje ubona utata mdala
Listen,
nditanda. Alright ngokwenza kantoni.
That was a moment of my weakness.
Oh, so you okay.
That was a moment of my. That's all. It's only.
Akabamba ifoni uDine wakhona. Akabamba ifoni. So ngichazela okay. Afuzwa nezothi ngichazele explain what happened then.
Hey, see.
Where did you meet her?
Dineo. Actually, she's my colleague.
You just said it was a moment of weakness.
Yes. It was a moment of weakness. But
So you had sex with her at the Airbnb?
she seduced me.
Oh, so she said, so I'm
not-
going to try to know again.
She seduced me. So you should. That made me to say it was a moment of my weakness. It was a moment of my weakness. See. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Story for what?
See. You know, now we've been together for
Ulalile not now na.
Chill.
Condom usebenzisile. Did you use condom?
Hi, am I speaking to Dineo?
Oh no. See.
Hello?
Usebenzile condom.
Of course.
Hi. Am I speaking to Dineo?
Now Dineo. Come now Dineo.
Please, see.
Hello unjani?
I'm good, thanks, and yourself.
Ngiright uthetha nothando ngoku unjani Eric? Mike, mazo Mike indoda yakho kanjani? Niqala nini?
Hayi ukuthatha sithandana.
Hayi indoda yami lanhlana endlini ngithanda nhlana endlini. Uthi kimi nisebenza nababini. Awungenda kanjani? Uthi ngibani uhlala phi wena uhlala phi?
Ndihlala phi? Awunani bahlala phi?
Indoda yakho kanjani kumele hlala nami? Khangichazela ngicacisele indoda yami. Hayi malungiqhala kakubi wena ulendisi ungiqhala kakubi. Indoda yami lokwenza kantona nandoda. Ngoba uhewula amadoda wonke wenza wakho. Ngani usungancami ithinta yakho wena uzongigulisa. Yes. Mahosha ithinta yakho. Indoda mhlana endlini umuntu lo mhlana endlini. Mhlana endlini hlangana emsebenzini. Uyasebenza uyofuna amadoda le. Uyasebenza uzemsebenzo zamadodeni. Undibhanqa kanjani hlala naye?
How long they've been together?
Niqala nini dibana nini qala nini ngacacisela. Niqala nini uthandana abandayo? Qala nini? 3 years kanjani? 3 years kanjani? Umithi umthawubani? Umthawubani? Sulungiqhala kakubi yami indoda yami indoda. Indoda kanjani uyithi emsebenzini?
Ngimkhipha umuntu wethu ke.
Kumntwana ngibani kumntwana kanjani? Thetha naye. Yeah, nangu uma kuthi akakwazi. Udlala kayiwane BNB no condom.
So you side chick uthandi Lendus.
No.
Nifana kanje umuntu omhlala umuntu lona. Why would 3? Thetha ukhamisile uzongigulisa wena.
Sisi, you know, you remember? Yeah, baby.
Intoni yeshi mtshela ukuthi nami mtshela ukuthi angifuni. Ngixalela ukuba umfuni obudilona.
You remember I told you something, eh? You remember I told you something. Yeah. You remember? I want to talk to her. Take it. Now you allow me to speak. See. How are you? Ish, you are right. You are fine, Mama. Okay. There is a problem there. Today is a bad day. Today is a bad day. We will talk. I'm sorry. Hey, I'm feeling bad. We will talk, Sisi. We will talk. I can't explain now. We will talk. I'm sorry.
Asimfunda mntana
What are you thinking?
And indoda bayimithisa yami indoda ayikamithisi sakudoctor. Akamithisi lo muntu lowo sakudoctor kuba xa usasithola bantwana. Yeah? Ndithi kuwe indoda yami ayibatholi abantwana into enditshoyo. Ayibatholi abantwana indoda yami. So mithi kanjani? Yeah? Ndibonile indoda mayibatholi abantwana bese ebengafuna ukuxelela ukuthi akamithisi mhlawumbe sanqala sinamaphepha kadoctor thina. Hayi lithi into yakho wena, lithi into yakuthetha. Lithi into yakho kwa
Sisi. I can't focus now. I can't focus. We talk.
Why don't you tell her you don't want her? You don't want her?
Sisi, we talk.
So you're phone. So you do want her?
Easy. Tando, take it easy. Take it easy. We are in public now. As you can see. Take it easy. We talk. Please, we talk. Ish. I'm sorry. We talk. I'm sorry. Can't say anything. See, we are in public. No, I use condom. That it was the moment of my weakness. But I said it was the moment of sorry. I will try. I will change.
Wathi uyagula ngoku. Wathi uyagula namzogula ngikuso ngu. Shuka sonza condom kaloku. Wayezoqambela amanga athi okay sharp ndiyakuva ke baby. Uthi umuntu wakho umithi kanjani sonza icondom. Wangambuza ngalombuzo lo. Sondela thethe nemasingiqoqa kanjani nemasinjani manje loyali kuye andenta ngamamba andifuna mina.
I'm sorry. I keep telling you.
Sorry for what? I'm
sorry.
For intoni.
I was tempted.
Wow, no Popeye wamthwasa. Popeye lo akananyani.
So amfuni umshiya.
That was the period you traveled.
Ndizothina kiwa ndiyazi.
Ufuna ulungisa.
Ndenza njani?
Uthi udinwe kaloku abudibana naye eKFC eKrugersdorp.
Ndithi neKrugersdorp andithiwona nto nodinwa ndoda am kaloku ndiyanothina. And uyaxoxa udinwa kamithanga le ndoda ayimithisi le. Ndinyamezele indoda engamithile nabantwana. Nama nabantwana ndiyabafuna abantwana it's not like ndibafuna abantwana. Ndiyafuna xa ndithanda yena ndiyazoyithi into enjalo ke ngoku.
So umblockile udine uzohlala. Amblock, amdelete, amlahle.
Ndenza njani?
If ufuna uhlala kaloku mayisikhathi
ndihlale futhi aphinda athole upalisa.
So hayi ke mshiye ke. Ufuna umshiya wena ufuna uthini?
Ndithi ndikushiya or ndithini into yakho. Inyumba lo muntu lo.
You can't keep quiet. You can't. Give us something. Do you want to stay and fix things?
I said I will change. What else do you want me to say?
Okay.
I've been begging you that I'm going
to utsho mawuntshithela ukuthi uzoqala wenze so ube so sithi thina mna nasilala emkhukhwini lase BNP ndiqala ngoma sandalele BNP
I don't know what to say.
What does Dineo have money?
Okay. It's not because of money.
But she does have money to know.
No, it's not a matter
Who
of...
booked the Airbnb? Who booked the Airbnb? Who booked? Who booked? Who booked?
Bhatala i-BNB malala skepeni memkhukhuni wolala ema-hotel.
Who booked?
Makanalala
It doesn't
hotel.
matter.
Who booked?
Who
Kanjani?
It doesn't matter. Okay. If I tell you she's the one that booked, because we went there, when we got there, she said, okay, I just want you to come and massage me.
So she booked.
Massage for what?
So she said she don't want me to massage her, and before I know it, please.
You are
please.
so too pregnant with them.
It was a moment of temptation.
No pregnant and when utenze say condom. So ndenza njani into ethu mina nawe? Ndenza njani? Or nam ndofumana uJack ngaphandle. Ndofumana omnye namazonisa hotel ngona zonisa hotel malele emkhukhwini.
Tell me now, tell me. Do you want to leave me because of Dineo?
Hayi mhlawumbe kuninto sozovela.
You are not leaving me.
Mhlawumbe kuninto sozovela mase
Let us fix it.
lesathembana.
No, we can fix it.
After that, no go kuma isikhathi amba no test akhe ne. And then after that, need to
Okay. If you want us to go for any test, I'm ready.
Ambani, go test.
I'm 100%.
In fact, ambani go
I'm
here go.
100%.
Masambe ngonoloyiko.
You can see.
And that's all that you can
see
decide,
I'm
yabo.
strong.
Especially if you're
I'm
naked.
still strong. Look at me. Do I look like somebody that is sick? Please. It was the moment. Please. Let's go home and fix it. Let's go home. Tell me what you want. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Bros, no they cheat again, no.
I will try.
No they cheat.
I will try.
If they decide to teach, make sure they don't
We are
get
looking for the hospital now.
No they cheat again.
Serious.
No they cheat.
All of my
Leave the
skirt,
cheating alone. That's one my good woman. Leave them.
Sorry.
They're straight. Maybe they stay your lane, bros. No they cheat again. Leave cheating alone. Focus on that woman. Repent, bros. I don't trust you now. You be my brother. I know you now. Please change.
Papa yini guys? Did you hear? She still cares about the show.
Oh, this is
I can't stand. I can't deal with Xhosa women. I tried to stay professional. I didn't laugh too much. Dlamini.
No, you did.
I did laugh, but
Yeah,
I stayed professional for most of the episode. But that was hilarious. Yeah.
Oh, other couples.
Pasta and Nigerian combo.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Firing with Xhosa, she's firing with Xhosa. Ooh, firing with Igbo.
You can speak
Not
pidgin.
that-
You can speak pidgin English,
Oh,
Dlamini.
me?
Yeah. He just spoke pidgin English.
Yeah, they're dangerous.
Oh wow!
Dangerous.
Have you-
speak them well?
Huh?
They speak them well.
Really?
That's what he be now. That's what they run them. Why would they laugh now? What thing? Why would they laugh?
Did you spend time with Nigerians?
They spend time with Nigerians every day.
Every day?
They gym with them. They work with them.
Uh-huh.
Pinda na Nigerian now.
Penda Zulu.
I'm spending time with Nigerians a lot of time.
Really?
Most of my friends are Nigerians.
Really? So you learned the language? Wow, Dlamini. But I think you can speak all the languages anyway.
I want to know every language that is there.
Yeah. Can you speak any of the actual languages though? Like, what is it,
No.
Yoruba or whatever?
No, I can't speak that way.
Oh, but you can speak pidgin.
Teaching.
Hectic. Shall we close the show?
Maybe they close them now.
I'm closing. I want to go home.
Let's go home.
My mom nearly
Mom
missed.
is on the way.
She nearly missed the flight. I'm not okay.
Nearly.
Yes. All right, CMTV viewers, that is an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and follow me on Facebook, Lisa Serame.
Instagram, welcome _Dlamini 88. On TikTok, it's welcome Dlamini. Facebook, welcome Dlamini. Danko siyabonga.
Danko!
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. Don't be yaste prebecha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, ma, best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale jino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Nginesikhathi esingakanani njena nokhaya?
Yes.
Awumafezi ngadlala.